Hi, I'm Elizabeth Mwabili. I am the CEO of Abla Safe Company. A neighbor of mine with a lot of trauma narrated to me how she lost her friend through a road accident while on a road trip to Voi. While traveling, as she was playing games using a mobile phone, she blacked out and became unconscious. Upon waking up, she realized that they had an accident. There were shouts of death, screams, and cries of pain all over. Some of the bystanders, whoever they said, were visibly panicking, while some just stood aloof, not knowing to do or whom to call for help, and some resorted to looting victims' properties. The emergency services were not alerted on time. Due to this, some of the passengers lost their lives. The road accident survivor, like my neighbor, were later on confirmed to be suffering from psychological trauma, an issue that isn't always given the unique invitation to be served. This is a scenario where none of us hope to have encountered, but post-crisis need to be supported and implemented effectively so that life can be saved. This is why from the Safe Company have come up with road crash care to offer support and management to the post-crash victims.
Hi, my name is Happy Kenga and I'm the business analyst. According to the African Federation for Emergency Medicine, the proportion of road crash patients who die before reaching hospital in low and middle-income countries is over 2/3 in high-income countries. In Kenya, more than 3,000 lives are lost annually due to road crashes, and over 50% of these lives, before they reach hospital, are left with permanent disabilities. Long-term effects of crashes involvement such as physical, psychological, and legal effects can impair integration into work and family lives. Our app Road Crash Care will offer services to road crash victims and bereaved families so as to avoid preventable death and disabilities. Alleviate suffering caused by the injuries to ensure the crash survivor best recovery and reintegration into the society. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jumaan Anisa, the app developer. Road Crash Care is an application that caters for users involved in a road crash. It incorporates the following elements for its functions: emergency care, mental health care, legal support, and data on road crashes. Our app has a new feed feature that updates users on real-time information on road crash events and gives tips of what to do in case of a road accident, and also creates awareness of various issues affecting road crash survivors. Road Crash Care has emergency services features that allows users faster access to emergency services such as police, ambulance, and fire brigade. Our app also has a map that displays nearby emergency centers such as hospitals and the routes to them. The remote button in our app helps users to note down and record useful information regarding a road crash. This document is useful in reporting road accidents to the police and in getting a claim for insurance companies. Road Crash Care app has a trauma support group feature where road crash survivors can be able to connect, share their stories, offer questions, and receive feedback in real time. Our app also collects data on roadway patterns and road accidents fatalities, useful to the government to pave way for effective and efficient traffic safety control policy. Furthermore, RCC app can be used 24/7 and it is easy to use, and it is designed with a user-friendly interface that is appealing to all road users. Thank you.
Hi, I am Zilfa Kinyi, the finance manager. The app will sustain itself through various ways. First, the app will sell e-book training that equips the matatu drivers, traffic officers, and other road users with the knowledge and skills to attain a road crash survivor until a professional medical personnel arrives in the scene. The trainees are then rated and become the road safety ambassadors and advocates. The app will also support a platform group for road accident survivor that may require membership fees. Additionally, the app will collect the data on roadway patterns and road crash fatalities and sell the data to the road accident information officer. Finally, we aim to make our app more sustainable by getting grants and donors. To achieve this, we plan to market our app through social media, print media, and the word of mouth. Our targets include all the road users. In future, we aim to expand our services to other African countries.